Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, but I hadn't gotten the palette yet. But I got the palette and I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but the Jaclyn Hill palette. What? So look at these colors. What? Oh my land. My heart, my makeup loving heart. Jaclyn Hill, yes girl, yes honey. Okay, so I'm so excited to do a tutorial with this. However, I was literally thinking this morning, like getting ready to film, and I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna just like pick a few of these colors to do an eye makeup tutorial with. Like I really don't. Like you can make 50,000 different, probably not that many, but you can make a lot of different eyeshadow tutorials slash looks slash, I don't really know what to do with myself. Oh boy. This is so hard for me. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to do like 50 different tutorials on this one palette. So I'm gonna take my I was right, but I doubted myself. I'm gonna take my R37 brush. This is the one I pick up whenever I start doing makeup, whatever I'm doing. This is the first one. So I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna use this like shade right here, which I believe is the shade Faint. That's cute. All right, and I'm gonna just dab a little bit on, and I'm going to apply it into my crease as a transition shade. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take that and do it in the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this as a transition shade. So it's super, super pretty. This is a great transition shade for my like skin tone. I'm loving it. I'm in love. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this shade here. It is the shade Hunt, and I'm going to deepen my crease with this as well and just focus on my crease and kind of work it up towards my brow bone, not in my brow bone. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye and just kind of deepen that crease a little bit. I think I'm going to be bold today and perhaps do a cut crease. I'm just now starting to do those because to me, like, it always looked sort of intimidating. So I was like, no, I'm a pass. But I started doing it like 2 days ago, and I'm like, you know what? This is relatively easy. I think I can do this in some of my videos. So why not? You know, we're using the Jaclyn Hill palette. That's bold. Let's just go ahead and do a cut crease while we're at it too. And for anyone that it intimidates, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. I just want to use every color in this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna take my M573 brush, and I'm going to actually I'm gonna take this mustard color. I believe it's called Queen. Yes, it's called Queen. It's so pigmented, holy crap. All right, I'm gonna just blend this in to my crease. Yes, honey. Jaclyn, you did not disappoint, ma'am. You did not disappoint. Look at this, like, it's like a mustard shade. Like, who would have been bold enough to put a mustard shade except for Jaclyn? I honestly, like, want to be her friend in real life. Oh, this is blessing my eyelids. I feel so blessed right now. So I'm just gonna go a little bit more, and I'm gonna just deepen up that crease. I'm gonna focus just on the crease. I don't want to blend this color too much towards my brow. I want to kind of keep it in my crease. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this hunter green here like this. It's called Enchanted. I feel enchanted just looking at this palette. Okay, so I'm just gonna take, and I'm going to focus it on the, not the outer corner of my eye, but the outer corner of my crease. Like so. Oh, honey, 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 honey. The pigment and the color payoff of these shadows, you guys, I cannot. I can't. I physically, oh my Lanta. I think I'm gonna start crying. Not really, but really. So I'm just gonna really focus just on the crease because we're gonna do a cut crease with this. So you just want to focus here on the crease. Honestly, y'all, this shadow is so like creamy. The color payoff and pigment is just amazing. Alright, so I know I look silly right now, but I promise I will get to the cut crease and I will get to what I need to be getting to, I promise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown shade here and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of my eye. Just the outer corner. I'm not going to blend it into the crease yet. I'm just going to focus this on my outer corner. Oh, this is such a pretty brown. You guys. Yes, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this mustard shade just one more time because I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get this look to look exactly like I have it in my head. And I'm gonna blend it just a little bit above where I blended that green on both sides here and kind of use it to blend out those two colors. And then I'm gonna take that green that I used and I'm going to deepen the crease one last time with that shade. So basically I'm just intensifying the colors that I've already put on my lid. Just darken them up a little bit. Yes, honey. Yes. So I know it looks crazy right now, but bear with me. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am going to begin the process of the cut crease. For all of you guys that are like, oh my god, I'm so intimidated to do this. This is literally me like 2 days ago, but not anymore because I have conquered my fear and we're about to do this together. So what I have here is just a really flat, rounded brush. Super skinny, super flat. I think this is actually an e.l.f. brush. It is. It's the e.l.f. smudge brush. Well, today it's going to be the cut crease brush. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a concealer. I'm actually using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer because I don't want to waste my Tarte. Does that make me selfish? Maybe. I don't know. You can use any concealer for this. I'm just going to get a little bit on end of my brush. And here's where you can't get in a hurry. You just have to take it stroke by stroke. You just have to take it little by little. So what I'm going to do is just start by drawing the shape that I want. As you can, do you guys see how easy this is? Do you see? You just gotta take it little by little and shape it like you want it. Here we go. Don't be intimidated by the cut crease, girls. You can do it. So I'm just gonna build this up until I get the texture and until I get the shape that I want. You guys will see how easy this is. All you have to do is have some patience. So I'm actually going to start taking this for this look. Sometimes you can stop here and blend a darker shade. I'm actually going to take a little bit more and I'm just going to blend it out towards this way. Okay, so now that that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush like this one, and I'm going to set that with the color of my choice. So if you wanted to do like a shimmer or a glitter, you could do that. I'm actually going to set it with this really pale like shimmer here so that it makes the that part of the eye pop. So I'm just gonna dab this over the concealer, and the concealer will pick it up because it's a wet formula. So this will actually oh, look at this, is like a pearly white. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, Jaclyn. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush. This one right here, it's kind of a fluffier brush. And I'm going to take this shade right here. This like, it's kind of a jade, it's kind of a green, but it's a lighter version of it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pack this on to the outer corner of my lid. And kind of focus in, not quite on the middle, but close to the middle. Kind of where that cut crease ends. And just kind of pack it on. I'm not going to do a lot of blending, but I am going to pack that color on right in the middle and on the outer corner. Y'all, I feel like a mermaid. Somehow this turned into like a mermaid smoky eye, and I'm okay with it. You know what? Let's just go for it. I'm gonna add some purple. Yes, I am. Y'all like, what? And I'm gonna use this too. Yes, honey. We didn't know what we was doing at the start of this video, but now we do. This is a mermaid smoky eye. Oh, Jaclyn Hill, how I love you. So I'm gonna take the M573 brush again, and the one that I used for my cut crease, and I'm just gonna take it, and I'm gonna use this amazing, let's see, it's called Jada. No. Yes, it's called Jada. I doubted myself. Don't ever doubt yourself, people. Okay, and I'm just going to focus this. Oh, gee, at the color payoff of this shade, I'm just going to focus this on the way outer corner of my eyeball. Such a fun way of my eyeball. Oh, y'all. Oh. Oh. Look at it. Oh. The color payoff of this shade, y'all. I can't. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with myself. Okay, I'm sorry. Now what I'm going to do is where I just put that like pearl shade, I'm actually going to take, and not in the like super inner corner, but I'm going to take this pink shade because every mermaid needs some pink. And we are mermaids today, peeps, okay? We are mermaids. And I'm just going to focus this right here. So right kind of in between the inner corner and the middle of your eye. And I'm just going to pack this right here. And it doesn't make a huge difference, but it is like a little subtle pink. Okay, now bear with me because I know I'm adding 1,000,001 colors to this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this purple shade, and I'm just going to dab a little bit because so far these have been super pigmented. Okay, and I'm just going to deepen up this part of my eye. Just right here. I'm not going to go the entire crease. I'm going to... OMG, holy moly. I'm just taking a really small brush. This is the Morphe M506. I use this a lot for like my brow highlight, and I also use it for under my eyes, which we are going to do shortly. So I'm just gonna, this is just the, you guys, Do you see this? I started off and was like, I'm just gonna do like a really neutral. That's out the door. Now we're full on mermaids now. We got unicorns. That's like a dinosaur. Unicorns of like the dinosaur. Unicorns. So wow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this cobalt blue and I'm gonna focus this underneath my eye. And I'm going to take the same shade that was that like Jade Hunter Green, this one right here, and I'm going to focus this on the center of my eye. So I'm just using 1,000,001 colors before I literally have the whole rainbow on my lid. I'm going to take that mustard shade that we used earlier and I'm just going to blend it up closer to my brow bone than what we did before so that it kind of gets a gradient feel. Oh my Lanta. Last but not least, I'm gonna add pop a highlight right on my brow bone and then we are moving on to our eyeliner. Do you see this? Do you see it? Because I'm dying a little bit on the inside. Okay, so I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Linear Intense eyeliner here. So just bear with me. I'm just gonna do a thin line because we got so much going on that I don't want a super dramatic eyeliner. Okay, so now that I have done my eyeliner, y'all look at this look. I'm so obsessed. Like, I don't know that I can go anywhere like, heck yes I can. I can go anywhere and be a mermaid. So, now let's do mascara real quick and we'll do some lips and I'll get back to you. Alright everybody, so I have finished my mascara and what I did for my lips, since this is such a bold eye look, I just went ahead and did a clear lip gloss. Personally, you guys, I am so obsessed. Like, okay, so I know this was supposed to be a first impressions video as well, so I just want to say, Jaclyn, you came through. Okay, so this is the most amazing palette that I've ever had that has had bold colors in it. Literally, you guys, the color payoff in these shadows are amazing. Guys, you can do so many looks from this palette. It's $38. If you have not purchased this yet, go purchase it. Bless your eyelids with this palette. Yes, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching this, what turned into mermaid eyelid cut crease Jaclyn Hill review tutorial, i.e. my life. Just all mixed together. Yeah! So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and like this video, comment, share. Be sure to subscribe because I put out new videos every Monday and every Thursday. You don't want to miss them. Alright, so thank you guys so much. Y'all have an awesome day. Now go be a mermaid, boo.